Are you a startup in the pet industry and want to make a perfect debut at the trade fair? Welcome to Interzoo 2026, the springboard for new ideas and young companies. With formats such as the Fresh Idea Stage, the International Startup Area and the Young Innovators Support Program, you will receive maximum support from stand space to visibility. Good preparation is essential for a successful trade show participation. Define clear goals, plan your budget realistically, and invest not only in your trade fair stand, but also in marketing your appearance via traditional communication channels and, of course, your social media channels. Use the trade fair to get in direct contact with customers, partners, and the media. Your conversation partners should always be in the center of communication. Only present your products once you know who you're talking to. Collect feedback and observe trends and competitors in order to further develop your offering, and also use the trade fair as an intelligence platform. Train your team, practice your pitch, and think about how you can bring your brand to life for visitors. And most importantly, stay visible even after the fair. Contact your visitors as soon as possible. Speed is very important after the trade fair and reinforces the good impression that you made during the conversations. Be sure to use the Interzoo app. Keep your contacts warm and share your success. This will make your first Interzoo a real successful one. I wish you all the best.